If you get the Acebeam P20, it comes with the spare rubber switch cover for the tactical tail switch, and you can remove the screws here to access that. So let's go ahead and try that. Let's try a Phillips 0. Yep, that works. Ooh, that's nice. Cool, that switch assembly comes out. So there's a plastic cover. Let's take it apart. Cool. Those are all the parts for the switch. Got the out of case, so you get 2 of these rubber covers. This just goes under the cover. This is the switch. That's a forward clicky tail switch. So yeah, that's it. Let's put it back together. Cool. That's the button cover. Yeah, these 2 lined up. Nice. Just falls into place nice and easily. This should go over the signal. And boom. Nice. So that is the tail switch.